Hey, it's Amia Renee, and today I'll be using products provided by True by Made Beautiful. I'm so excited to try their new line, which is the purple color for damage control. My hair has been in this high puff for about 2 days. My curls are a little dry and crusty, so I need to put some moisture back into my hair. Give me a minute and I'll be right back. So I'm back with freshly co-washed hair, so I used True by Made Beautiful Co-Wash Cleansing Conditioner. It contains shea, honey, coconut, and mango. So now I'm excited to try this. This is their newly released deep conditioner. It's their damage control repairing deep treatment mask. It has mango, shea, rice water, and guava. Ooh, almost baked this like. Okay. Oh, it was thicker than I thought it was. I thought it was going to slide straight out. It looks like cake batter to me. Smell fresh. A little fruity, not too much. My hair has really been getting on my nerves since I took out my locks. It's really, I guess I gotta retrain my hair because it tangles really easily and I'm not used to that. It's getting on my nerves. It's my curl stopping. Can you see that? Okay. Okay, so now that it felt so good. Man, the deep treatment mask is distributed through my hair evenly. I'm going to put my hair up. Here's another product I'm excited to try out. This is Hot Head Thermal Hair Care. The directions say you place the hot head flat on a clean microwavable glass with elastic facing up for 45 seconds. Also, the hot head is filled with natural flax seeds. Next, you take it out the microwave, flip it inside out, elastic side facing upwards, and put an additional 45 seconds. Repeat one more time if it's not hot enough for you, but do not exceed more than 3 minutes. Oh, this is nice. It's a little heavy. Now I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes and let this deep conditioner go to work. I'm back for the final time. Just rinse the mask out my hair. Let's see. Feels good. Well, I sound like I'm saying it. It does feel good though. Alright, so let me tell you. I like how it felt slippery, had great slip. I want to say the honey in here helps it to feel real smooth and slippery. Maybe the shea was what was making it feel moisturized as well. And also honey is a humectant and makes your hair feel really moisturized and all that as well. I really like this mask. And look, I don't know if you can tell, I still have half a jar. So I'm doing good with not using the whole jar of product one time. I think this will be one of my go-to products. Hydrated, not thirsty like it was earlier before I washed my hair, co-washed it. As far as this little thing here, isn't it just the cutest? I just like the pattern first of all. Cutest little pattern. It's really heavier than what I thought it was going to be. But I like this. It smells good. Like a video or two ago, I think it was the Simple Protective Style with Hydrothermal Naturals. Anyway, that video, I did a deep conditioner. I couldn't find my pink heating cap and I did not want to sit under my steamer. So I could have used this if I had it. This is a great alternative if you want to be mobile. You don't want to have a heating cap that you got to plug into the wall. You want to pop this in a microwave, put it on your head. You can move about throughout your house, finish doing your chores, whatever else you need to do. I love this. So if you don't have one, the brand is Hot Head. So go ahead on and get you a Hot Head Thermal Hair Care. Love it. They have a whole lot of colors online too if you go check out their website. Cute different colors too.
Now I'm going to style my hair and I'll be back. If you'd like to see what products I use to style my hair, make sure your notification is turned on so you can know when my video is posted for this style. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.